Hello everybody, welcome back to Davey the Computer Guy, and it is 2019, which means we need to do a computer build. So yes, let us begin. Okay, so I guess it's kind of important to go over the parts slash why the heck I'm building this computer. You may have already guessed by seeing one of the parts, but we will start with the basics. We have a very basic case, which I'm not going to show because it is extremely basic. We have what looks to be an MSI V-class motherboard for an AMD Athlon 64, but that is not what this is. This is an Asus B8 5ME motherboard. So yeah, it's a pretty nice motherboard. It's got 16 gigabytes of ECC RAM and a 4770S processor, with just a basic heatsink, but that's okay because this computer is not going to be doing anything too intensive. Okay, so the next thing I think we need to cover is the drives, because yeah, drives are important. We're going to start with this. This is a SanDisk SSD, 120 gigabytes for the boot drive. And yeah, there's going to be an interesting deal with this. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then this is a Toshiba 2 terabyte, just standard 7200 RPM hard drive for storage, because we're going to need a lot of storage. The deal with this is that actually we don't have 2.5 inch brackets in the case. So I ordered an adapter, right, for 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch, but it hasn't come in yet, so it's gonna get stuffed somewhere, and then we'll do the adapter off camera whenever it comes in, because doing an adapter is not really that interesting. Next, of course, the graphics card, which this is actually not entirely sure if we're gonna use this yet. This is a AMD R9 380 4GB graphics card, but I'm not sure if it's going to fit with our case solution, because the reason we're doing this whole build, this is an Elgato HD60 Pro capture card, and this is the reason that graphics card may be a problem, because this takes up a PCIe 1X slot. That uses a regular PCIe slot, but when the graphics card goes in, it covers it up. So depending on how the case lays out, I might be able to put it in the bottom thing, but I don't know yet, so yeah. And then we just have a very standard gray Seasonic 500 watt power supply, but it is 80 plus bronze, so don't let the silver finish make you cautious. That will do the job just fine. This is going to be a time-lapse build, not a how-to build, because we've done that in the past. So yeah, we're going to put it on time-lapse, there's some music in the background, and let's go. Okay, this is not where this thing is going to live, but I just put it here for the purposes of testing and installing an operating system and all that, because I don't have the other place where it's going to be set up yet. I just want to note, take a note that I did put the Elgato logo here. This sticker here, this TNS Computer Systems sticker, used to be there from, I guess, when the PC was originally purchased with its original parts. If you go back on Random Things Show, where I originally did Davey the Computer Guy, I think this thing was in a video or two in its original configuration. So yeah, it was like an Athlon XP and 512 megs of DDR100 RAM. So yeah, this is a big upgrade. It also had a LG Blu-ray disc burner that I did not tell you about that was in the case. And I did not tell you about the sound solution because I forgot, but basically it's a Sound Blaster Audigy Pro. With the Audigy Pro Tom gave me for my birthday last year, and so thanks, Tom. And I had the MIDI card that originally came with it already, so yeah, I had actually been looking for that card for a while. I don't think Tom knew that, but yeah, so that was good. Just want to go over the other stuff that came with the capture card, just in case anybody's curious. Down in here, it's kind of stuck, but this is the low form factor bracket in case you have one of those mini PCs, which I do have one of those, but I'm just not using the capture card with it because it's really, really old. And also under here is a fairly long HDMI cable, which is nice because I actually did not have enough to use this, but now I do, so yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna put this back in the box because this is a really, really cool box, and it is kind of beaten up from shipping, which is unfortunate, but yeah. Just gonna put that there for now because it's cool. I did not use the graphics card, did not fit, but that's okay. This has integrated video fine as it is a secondary capture-only PC that will be capturing other stuff. So I think it is time to give it the old power button. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. We're off to a great start, aren't we? One moment. Okay, no LED lights. Somewhere in there, the LEDs are causing problems, so no LED. Now the system boots. Well, it's really quiet, which is nice. And it's booting. American Megatrends, chassis intrude, fatal error, overclocking. What the heck? Right. Chassis intrude does not have a chassis alarm, so what the heck is going on here? I'll be right back again. Alright, so I have this wonderful new computer implemented into my setup. It's just using this basic Microsoft keyboard and mouse wireless at the moment. It's kind of in the way. Basically, I am going to be running I am running Windows 8 on this computer just because of legacy support with some programs that I'm going to be using that don't support Windows 10 for some reason, but I don't understand why they support Windows 8 if they don't support Windows 10. Anyway, so yeah, Windows 8. I don't really mind Windows 8. I know some people have a problem with the whole start menu thing, but I don't really have a problem with it, so whatever, it's fine. Problem is that right now I have no internet in my house. There's no internet in here, and we're hoping to get it sometime this week. I mean, we'll have internet by the time this video goes up because I can't upload it without internet. But yeah, so basically I can't use the capture card without internet because I can't get the drivers that I need to run it. Well, I have the drivers. I went to an internet cafe and got drivers, right? But that kind of sounds weird. I ordered drivers in an internet cafe. No, that's, you know what I mean. Anyway, they don't work. They don't work because they need a newer version of Windows 8, that is. They work fine with Windows 8, but not this version of Windows 8. And I can't update Windows 8 without internet. So yeah. So basically, it's going to kind of sit here doing nothing for a while, except the drives are not going to be doing nothing. Like right here, I was moving that 2 terabyte drive. I'm moving all my Game Guy stuff from my gaming computer over there because I was running on a 1 terabyte drive that was holding everything from Game Guide to Computer Guide to Random Things Show backups and all kinds of stuff. And yeah, it's full. It was completely full, like nothing left. But when you have 2 terabytes, a tiny little chunk for that. And I'll probably be moving more stuff as well, so yeah. I'm happy to have that drive in there working, so that's nice. Yeah. This is done for now. You'll see the next clip. It'll probably be a few days for me, be in a couple seconds for you, so yeah. After about 2 weeks, a lot of reorganization and an operating system change, we've got well, it's not old, the streaming computer up and running. We were going to originally have it down there where this binder is falling off my desk, but yeah, there was a bunch of cable issues with that and that didn't work, so we moved it over here, hooked up the 2 monitors. I have internet now, so I was able to get everything configured, and apparently you can't get the latest drivers for the HD60 Pro using Windows 8, so all my backwards compatibility has been thrown out the window, and yeah. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet, but Windows 10 it is, and it's working just fine. I have the 2 monitor thing going on here, so that's a secondary monitor for the streaming computer, and this one does both. Like, this is streaming computer right now, but I can hit the input button, and now it's gaming computer. So yeah. Actually just getting ready to film the first episode of Portal, which is a game that I'm going to put up on my channel. So yeah, I think this concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, bye.